Do you want to listen to audiobooks on your smartphone? I can show you how using the Audible app for iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
I'll show you how to search for, purchase, and download a book using the Audible app for iOS. Near the end of the video, I'll go over the main difference between the US and Canadian sites in terms of charging for the membership fee. Stick around and let's get started. Unlike Audible for Android, you can't purchase books directly from within the Audible app on iOS. To use Audible on the iPhone, open Safari and go to www.audible.ca. As you can see, I've got 1 credit available. Let's search for a book. I've already purchased this book, but I want to purchase the second book in this series. You scroll down and tap on A Court of Thorns and Roses. This will bring up all the books in the series. To purchase the second book, scroll down and select Book 2. Once you do, scroll down and select Buy with 1 credit. You can buy the book for the price listed or add it to your wish list. I always use my credits. When you tap Confirm Purchase, sign in. When you do, you will see this page. You'll also get an email letting you know that you've purchased a book. At this point, you can exit Safari and open the Audible app. At the top of the screen, there will be 3 tabs: Cloud, Device, and iTunes. Make sure that Cloud is selected, find the book, and tap the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll notice that books in the cloud are grayed out and have that arrow. Once you tap it, the download will begin. As you can see, the download circle is starting to fill in. At this point, you can begin to listen to the book. However, you do not have access to the entire book yet. Once the download completes, the book will be available on your device. The download may take a few moments depending on the speed of your internet connection. I would recommend that when you download books onto your phone, you always connect to Wi-Fi. You can use cellular data. If you do, you may burn through your monthly data usage quickly. If you are in Canada and an Audible member, you may want to check to make sure that you are with the Canadian site. I discovered this when I checked my bank records and noticed that I was being charged more than what the membership fee was. This was due to the exchange rates between the US and Canada. As soon as this happened, and as soon as the Canadian site was available, I immediately transferred my account over. So as of right now, I am paying $14.95 per month for my Audible membership. Once the circle has filled in, the download will be finished. The book will be available on your device. Tap the Device tab and scroll down to see the downloaded book. If you've been listening to the book on other devices, you may get a warning the first time you tap it. When you do, just click Cancel to start from the beginning and OK to start from where you are. The book is now playing, although you can't hear the audio because I'm recording. You can continue listening while you use your phone for other things.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Please feel free to check out some of my other videos suggested on screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.